More now on that rebound in new home construction last month. It shot up nearly 16%, the most new home building since last November, with construction of single-family homes and multifamily units both up sharply. Now, even though housing starts surged in July, all housing data are not equal in the current recovery. Diana Olick explains why.
It was a welcome surprise from the builders. Housing starts soaring nearly 16% in July from June. It was well beyond what traders expected, and so the trades took off. Names like D.R. Horton, Lennar, Hovnanian, all climbing on the news. But it was these stocks, multifamily apartment REITs, Avalon Bay and Equity Residential, that hit new all-time highs.
People have been sort of downplaying the multifamily side because that's more volatile, but that's been a big part of the construction recovery. And when we look at the markets that are seeing a construction boom right now relative to what's normal for them, it's places like New York and Boston, San Francisco, Los Angeles, places where most of the new construction is multi-unit.
Single-family starts rose 8% month to month and were up 10% from a year ago. But multifamily, which is mostly rental apartments, jumped 33% month to month and nearly 50% from a year ago. Apartment rents are soaring with starts, but demand is still strong. The same cannot be said for the jump in single-family home prices which are sidelining some buyers.
We are seeing a sort of boom in the housing market. So, we've got stocks and bonds highly priced, and now we're starting to see maybe housing going in the same direction. It's like everything is pricey.
The boom is in prices, not so much in sales yet, and that was a strategic move by builders.
It was a little bit too much too fast. I think the builders were trying to slow down their sales paces because they were running short on lots. They wanted to maximize their profit margins per house, so they said, let's raise our prices. It's the only natural thing to do, but they overdid it.
Now, going into fall, builders may take on a new strategy. D.R. Horton, in fact, already said it would start offering incentives to buyers to get them back in the door. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.